Hi everyone, I'm here at the salon. I'm ready to teach you how to put your own hair color on. I hope you are all doing well in your quarantine and staying healthy. And this is fairly easy, so here we go. The first thing I'd like you to do is find some Vaseline or a thick hand cream would work and just grease your hairline. Try not to touch any of your hair because it won't get colored if you do. Make it kind of thick. Don't worry about gooping it up there. Okay? And you can even, if you're gonna color the back, you can do a little bit back here too. Okay, the next step would be to take your bottles and take a bowl and mix them both together, the entire tube of each. Stir with your trusty brush. Get your gloves on. Take my hair down. Yes, I have a lot of gray. See? So the first thing you're gonna do, which is super easy, is you're gonna draw a line down the center of your head. Like so, all the way down to your nape. So you only have a little bit of regrowth at this point. So what this really is a tapping motion. So you don't need to pull the color out, you're just tapping and color expands. So it will get everywhere as long as you just tap it in place. So the first thing you're gonna do is go down your center part. Dot, 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 all the way down as far as you can. Dot, 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 dot. Try not to overlap onto your highlights. Just touch the roots if you can. You guys probably have a lot less roots than I do because I have seen most of you pretty recently. The next step is, so you've made it all the way down your nape the best you can with dotting. You don't really have to see, you just have to feel. The next thing is pull your hairline back. Dot, 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 dot. Dot, dot, dot. Don't feel like you have to cover everything because like I said, the color will expand and you don't want to put it on your highlights if you have highlights. But it's okay if it touches it slightly. Okay, the next thing is, so we're thinking about 4 quadrants. So that's cutting it in half and this is cutting it in half again. So you can use your ear as your guide. So you put your thumb behind your ear and then draw a line down your head to match your thumb, to reach your thumb. And then you're gonna quickly dot, 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 dot. Same thing on this side, use your ear as your guide. Dot, 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 dot. Now, these are our first 2 quadrants and probably the most important part because this is the part that you really see. So you've taken care of a lot of the part that you see, right? You got your middle part and then you've got your hairline. If some of you have a side part, keep that in mind and make sure that you get your color there. I'm not as worried about the back. So for the front, you're just gonna take some quick slices, quick slice. Use this like a pen and rub it against your head when you're using it. It'll really help keep you stable. Quick, quick, quick. And you want to move really fast. You don't want to think too hard. You just dot, 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 dot. And that's where the dotting helps because if you're worried about getting the color everywhere, you're going to take a really long time and it's just not necessary. Dot, dot, dot. Dot, dot, dot. Dot, dot, dot. And that's our last section in this quadrant. Okay, so this next section I'm gonna draw against my head. Dot, dot, dot. Even if you don't get every section, it doesn't matter. It's all gonna blend and expand. Dot, dot, dot. Dot, dot, dot. And again. So obviously the parts that are really gray, that you can see the most, those are the parts that you really need to take care of. Even if you just want to do your hairline and your part, that's great, because I will hopefully see you soon enough and I can take care of the rest. So I don't care that much about the back, but I can quickly just use the tip of my brush as a guide down my head. And in the mirror, you can easily just follow right down your hair. Do this side really quick. Dot, 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 dot. Dot, 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 dot. If you have somebody that'll help you, great. They can probably do the back a little bit better than you can. But I recommend you doing the front very quickly if that's gonna happen. Dot, 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 dot. And then if you wear your hair up a lot and you're worried about the underneath, you can just quickly grab all your hair up, dot, 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 and follow your hairline. It doesn't have to be perfect, dot, dot, dot. Then you're all done. If you see any color outside of your hairline, you might wanna, this is a good time to take it off. Like I have some on my ear right now. I would get a towel and wipe that up. And then you're done. You're gonna sit for 30 minutes. And then I recommend you either washing your hair in the sink, or if you take a shower, just make sure that when you're first rinsing, tip your head back so it doesn't get all over your body. So try to keep your body out of the water and just get the dye out first. And that's it. Good luck.